To get more video, please subscribe the channel. Students, today we discuss about the next questions of the problem set 5 of the chapter Coordinate Geometry Mathematics Part 2 10th standard. The next question number 6 is find the distance between the following points. So simple one is there. Its solution is first one is A0 and B0A. Then its solution is the coordinate of A is A0 and B is 0A. Let A having coordinate is x1, y1 and B having coordinate is x2, y2. Therefore, by comparing it, x1 is equals to A, y1 is equals to 0, x2 is equals to 0 and y2 is equals to how much? A. Therefore, by using distance formula. So simple here. This formula is distance of any point, means that AB is equals to in root of formula is x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Now in root we substitute the values. x2 is 0 minus x1 is a bracket square plus here is y2 is a minus 0 bracket square. Means that when we take its square, then it becomes minus a square plus this is a square. Here is minus a square is a square plus this is also a square. This value becomes here twice a square. Taking square root, we get here. Therefore, distance of AB is equals to. We cannot find out the square root of this root 2. So, write here root 2 into this one is the A. Therefore, the answer in full sentence. Answer. Distance of these 2 points means that distance of AB is equals to root 2 into A. Okay, same question. Second. Its solution is P having coordinate is minus 6, minus 3, Q having coordinate is minus 1, 9. Let P having coordinate is x1, y1 and Q having coordinate is x2, y2. By comparing to it, therefore x1 is equals to minus 6, y1 is equals to minus 3, x2 is equals to minus 1, y2 is equals to 9. Therefore, by using distance formula, this formula is distance of any point in that PQ is equals to in root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square is equals to in root of here is x2 is minus 1 minus here is minus 6 bracket square plus y2 is 9 minus 3 bracket square. Then this value becomes minus 1 minus plus 6 bracket square plus this is 9 plus 3 bracket square. Then the square of this one is subtraction is 5 bracket square plus this one is 12 bracket square. Now its square I have to write here 25 plus 144. Its addition is also so simple. We can take here 9 then 6 1. Taking square root of it, therefore distance of PQ is equals to 30. Therefore answer in full sentence. Answer distance of PQ is equals to 13 unit. Now student, there is one sub question of this question number 6. You have to solve at home. We take the next question number 7. 7. Find the coordinates of the circumcenter of triangle whose vertices are minus 3, 1, 0, minus 2 and 1 and 3. For this I have to draw one Now suppose that this is the coordinates of the triangle ABC and this is the center here of the circle. O is the circumcenter here. This is the radius. All of you know that these radius are equal here. Suppose here is point is A, here is B and here is C. A having coordinate is -3 and 1. Suppose C having coordinate is 0 and -2 and D having coordinate is 1 and 3. And O having coordinate is H and K. I have to write this one is also. Now then its solution. Here is let A having coordinate is -3 1, B having coordinate is 1 and 3, C having coordinate is 0 and -2. Suppose O, H and K be the circumcenter of triangle ABC. Here OA is equals to OB is equals to OC. Equation first, because radii of circle, same circle, radii of same circle. Now student, from this first I have to write here again, therefore OA is equals to OB from equation first. Therefore by using distance formula, this distance formula I have to directly take the values by using this distance formula. Look here, suppose A, here we take OA and OB, so A having coordinates x1 y1, this is x2 y. Then by using distance formula, x2 is h minus x1 is -3 bracket square plus y2 is k, then y1 is -1 bracket square is equals to, in another root, here is OB x1 y1, this is x2 y2, then x2 is h minus 1 bracket square plus k -3 bracket square. Then student, again I have to take one sentence here. Here is h minus plus 3 bracket square. Here is k minus 1 bracket square is equals to, in this h minus 1 bracket square plus k minus 3 bracket square. Student, then squaring both sides we get squaring both sides. When we square it, then this root sign get cancelled. So I have to directly write here h plus 3 bracket square plus k minus 1 bracket square is equals to h minus 1 bracket square plus k minus 3 bracket square. Then student, squaring by using identity a plus b bracket square, a square plus twice ab, means that 6h plus 3 square is 9. Here is k square minus twice k plus 1. Here is h square minus twice h plus 1 plus k square minus, here is 6k plus 9. Student, when we observe carefully to the equals side, to the both side are the same values, they get cancelled, means h square get cancelled, this k square is also get cancelled. Student, when we observe carefully, this plus 1 and my plus 1 also get cancelled, then plus 9 and my plus 9 also get cancelled, so that the remaining is, here is 6h. When we transpose this twice h, then second, here is divided by 4. Divided by 4. Then again from equation first. First, we take here OB is equals to OA. So OB is equals to OC. OB is equals to OC. OB is equals to OC. Then by using distance formula, now again we use for OB. Here is O having coordinate is x2 y2, B having x1 y1, so that h minus 1 bracket square plus k minus 3 bracket square is equals to, here is h minus 0 bracket square plus k minus 2 bracket square. Then again I have to write one step here. Here is h minus 1 bracket square plus k minus 3 bracket square is equals to, here is also h minus 0 means h square plus, here is k plus 2 bracket square, minus minus plus. Then squaring both sides. When we squaring, this root sign get cancelled, means that h minus 1 bracket square plus k minus 3 bracket square is equals to h square plus k plus 2 bracket square. Squaring properly we get here by using identity, h square minus twice h plus 1 plus k square minus 6k plus 9 is equals to h square plus k square plus 4k plus 4. To the equal side, same signs are present and same values are present, we get cancel. H square get cancel plus k square get cancel. Then I have to transpose all values to the same side. Here is minus twice h. Here is minus 6k. Then this minus 4k is equals to 4. 1 plus 9, 10, minus 10. Then this is minus twice h, minus 10k is equals to minus 6. Then student, only changing the sign we get the value such that therefore twice h plus 10k is equals to 6, equation number 3rd. Then subtract equation second and third we get. Subtract equation second from equation third. We write subtract equation second from equation third. So first I have write third equation, twice h plus 10k is equals to 6. Then second one is twice h plus k is equals to 0, equation second. When we subtract here, then the signs of second equations where changes. This plus convert as minus, this plus convert as minus, this is same here. Then this twice h plus and minus get cancelled. Remaining here is 9k is equals to 6. Therefore k is equals to 6 upon 9. Therefore k is equals to 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. This is the value of k. Put this value in any equation, suppose that second. Put k is equals to 2 upon 3 in equation second. Equation second is twice h plus k is 2 upon 3 is equals to 0. When we transpose to this another side, it get here twice h is equals to 0 minus 2 upon 3 is equals to minus 2 upon 3. Then this again goes to denominator, therefore h is equals to minus 2 upon 3 into 2. Look carefully, this get cancelled, means that h is equals to minus 1 upon 3. Now student, center O R H is minus 1 upon 3 and K is 2 upon 3. This is the coordinate of the circumcenter O. Can you understand this, student? Very important example. We take next question. Let's take the next question. 8. In the following examples, can the segment joining the given points form a triangle? Mean that this is form a triangle. If triangle is formed, state the type of the triangle considering the sides of the triangle. Mean that you have to find out the sides of triangle. Then we have to conclude that this sides forms a triangle or not. Now look carefully its solution. Here is given here L having coordinate is 6 and 4, M having coordinate is minus 5, minus 3, N having coordinate is minus 6 and 8. Now student, therefore by using distance formula, first I have to find out the distance of all segments here. First take LM. All of you know that the distance formula x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. I have to directly use this to solve this distance here. Here is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. At that time this is minus 5 x2 minus x1 means that minus 6 bracket square plus here is minus 3 minus 4 bracket square. Now student, this value becomes here, this is minus 11 bracket square plus this is minus 7 bracket square. Minus 11 square is plus 121 plus 7 square is 49. When we are adding it, the value of LM is equals to, here is 10 carries 1, 6 plus 1 is 7, 170. Suppose that this is equation number first. Then we have to find out the next distance is MN. Again by using distance formula, I have to directly substitute these values. MN, x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Then by using this, x2 is minus 6 minus 5 bracket square plus here is 8 minus 3 bracket square. Student, this value again, this is minus 6 plus 5 bracket square plus 8 minus plus 3 bracket square. This having minus 6 plus 5 becomes minus 1 bracket square plus this is 8 plus 3 becomes 11 bracket square. Then square of this one is 1 square is 1, 11 square is 121. Therefore MN is equals to in root of 122. Suppose that this is equation number second. Then we find the length of LN again by taking the distance formula. Length of LN is equals to, here is x1 y1 x2 y2. Then it becomes here minus 6 bracket square plus this one is 8 minus 4 bracket square. Student, when we take its addition, it becomes minus 12 bracket square plus this is 4 square. Minus 12 square is 144 plus 4 square is 16. Therefore LN is equals to root of addition is 160. Equation third. When we observe carefully, here is root of 170 is greater than these two. So for form a triangle, all of you know that the theorem, sum of any two sides is greater than always the third side. For this I have taken the sum of these two sides here. So therefore MN plus LN is equals to, MN is 122 plus this one is 160. We cannot add this, I have to take as it is here. Now student, for the triangle, for sum of two sides has to be greater than third side. Mean that here we take here sum of these two sides, mean that 122 plus 160 is greater than 170. Now can this is correct? For this I have to take its square such way that when we squaring it 122 plus root of 160, at that time by using the square a plus b bracket square, this is I have to directly write here a square, mean that 122 plus twice into a is 122 into b is 160 plus b square is directly I have to take here root of 160 square is 160. The addition becomes here 122 plus 60 becomes 160 becomes 2, 6 plus 2 is 8 and 1 plus 1 is 2 plus this we write as it is. Student, suppose that this is our equation number 4. Then we take here root of 170 square also. This is 170. Equation 5. From equation 4th and 5th, we observe carefully. Here is 282 is greater than 170. Means that this value is greater than this one is. So I have write here. Directly write here 282 is also greater than 170. Therefore, root of 122 plus root of 160 bracket square is always greater than root of 170 bracket square. From 4 and 5. Taking square root we get here directly both sides, in that root of 122 plus root of 160 is greater than root of how much? 170. Mean that sum of any two side is greater than the third side. So triangle is formed. Therefore triangle LMN is formed. Student, if triangle is formed, then we have to state the type of the triangle also. Now for this consider the length of each segment. In that here is length of LM is not equals to length of MN and is not equals to length of LN. These three segments are not equal here. Mean that three sides are not equal, then the type is scalar. So right here, therefore triangle LMN is which type of the triangle? Scalar. Scalar. Can you understand this? Okay. We take the next question. Next sub question. Question second. P minus 2 minus 6, Q minus 4 minus 2 and R is minus 5 and 0. Now we have to find here these three are the vertices of the triangle or not, and you have to find out the type of the triangle also. So its solution. Here is P having coordinates minus 2 minus 6, Q having coordinates minus 4 minus 2 and R having coordinates minus 5 and 0. Therefore, by using distance formula, first we have to find out all sides here. PQ is equals to in root of, directly use the formula x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. This one is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. We get here minus 4 minus 2 bracket square plus here is minus 2 minus 6 bracket square. Now then we write here minus 4 plus 2 bracket square plus minus 2 plus 6 bracket square. This one is minus 2 bracket square plus this is the 4 bracket square. This value becomes 4 plus 16. 4 plus 16 is equals to how much? 20. We factorize this is 4 4 5s. Therefore PQ is equals to, we can find out the square root of 4 is 2 root of 5. Suppose that this is equation number first. Then I have to find out the value of QR again by using distance formula in root of. Here is again take here x1 y1 x2 y2 means that minus 5 minus 4 bracket square plus y2 is 0 minus 2 bracket square. Here is QR is equals to minus 5 plus 4 plus 4 bracket square. Here is plus 2 bracket square is equals to minus 1 bracket square plus 2 square is 4 means that here is 1 plus 4 means that QR is equals to root of 5. Equation second. Then we have to find out PR by using again distance formula. Here is P x1 y1 R x2 y2. Then x2 minus x1 plus y2 is 0 minus 6 bracket square. Then this value becomes minus 5 plus 2 bracket square plus minus plus 6 bracket square. This value becomes minus 3 square plus 36. Minus 3 square is 9 plus 36. When we adding it, this value becomes 45. Then I have to factorize again. 9 5s are 45. Then 3 root of 5. This is the value of PR. Suppose this is equation number third. When we observe carefully, first, second and third, this is 2 root 5, 1 root 5, this is the third side, is the bigger one here. So I have to take sum of these two sides here. All of you know that for a triangle, if sum of any two is greater than the third side, then this is the triangle. First I have to write here. We know for a triangle to be formed, the sum of two sides has to be greater than the third side. Therefore, first I have to find out their sum here. Now here is PQ plus QR is equals to PQ is 2 root 5 plus root 5. Therefore, this value PQ plus QR is equals to 3 root 5. Suppose that this is equation number 4. Now observe carefully from third and fourth. From equation third and fourth, these two segments mean that PQ plus QR is equals to PR. This is also 3 root 5. Mean that these two segments are, sum of these two segments is third one. Therefore, student, these 3 points are collinear. Therefore, the point PQR are collinear. Therefore, the triangle is not formed. Can you understand here? Now, if these points are collinear, therefore the triangle is not formed. Then their type is also do not know. Thank you for watching the video.